Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial I like to show you what options do you have where to install the websites. So if you look on this section you can see 5 options. The first is on WPWC servers. That means the websites that will be sent via this form will be installed on our WPWC servers. Okay, the reason is the ability to create websites directly after installing the plugin. Okay, so install the plugin, set up this form, and you can install websites directly on our server, and you have a look and a feeling how the system works. Okay, in a free version we store the website 7 days on our server. In an agency version 14 days, in a big plan version 30 days. You don't get any email after this duration. Okay, we delete websites automatically. So if you install a website, please be sure that you are inside this range to migrate the website to your server. Okay, but you still have the option to create websites and install websites directly on your server. Therefore, choose one of these options. Okay, if you have a WHM server, WHM looks like this. So this is a server part. Maybe you have a reseller server or a root server, and most of these server parts or root servers are managed by WHM. Okay, WHM creates cPanels for every customer. Okay, so if you have a WHM server, this is the most professional way to work with our system. Please choose WHM. Then you have to type in the URL from your server. So this is the URL. You have to fill it in, including the port. So most cases WHM will be installed on the port 287. Okay, then we need a username and we need a password. Okay, then choose the type for the registration on the server, so type for the login. This is username and the password, so this is username password type. Okay, click on update. Okay, if everything works good, we are connected to the server. And then we have to choose a top level domain from the server. So the system lists all the top level domains that you have inside here. Okay, and you have to choose one for the creation of a subdomain and for the creation of the website on this subdomain. Okay, then we need a package. You have packages on your server. So these are the packages, and the packages have some quotas and some limitations. So the disk quota is in this case 1 gigabyte, and the bandwidth and FTP accounts and so on. Okay, you have to be careful with these settings, because in case you have a reseller account you are also limited in space on the server. So be careful with the settings. You can always check this if you go to create an account. You can see how many accounts you can create with this package. Okay, 5 accounts are created. You can create 22, so you have 17 left. Okay, so always look on these settings, because if the package is too big, we can't create an account, and so the website installation failed. Okay, choose a package and click on update. I like also to show you the option to log in with a token. Okay, a token is a more secure way, because you don't have to fill in here your password, your master password for your server, and you can create a token on your server. It works like this: search for token, go to manage API token, and then create a token, give them a name, okay, then copy the token, click on save, then go back, fill in the token in the password and token field, and choose the login type, username and token. Okay, then click on update. And now you logged in with the token to your server. Okay, now you can install websites directly on your server with this form. The next is to install websites on a cPanel. cPanel is a part of a WHM. So let me show this. This is a WHM, a managing software for a server, and these are all cPanels. So maybe you have only a cPanel account on a managed server. You are not the owner of the server, so you have only a cPanel. It looks like this or similar to this. In some cases they have other themes, but it's always the same functions, or nearly the same functions. Some of the biggest provider use cPanel for the customers. So GoDaddy or HostGator, they all use cPanel. So if you only have a cPanel on one of these providers, you can choose cPanel. Then you have to fill in your cPanel URL. In most cases, this is a URL with a port 283. Okay. Then the username, and once again the password, because you can't log in with a token to a cPanel. Okay. Then click update. Then you have to choose the top level domain for the subdomains. Okay. So the system lists all the domains in your account, the add-on domains and also the subdomains. So there are 9 subdomains inside the cPanel. They are all listed here, and you choose one of the domains, but you don't have to choose a package here, because packages are only given under a WHM server. Okay, we hit save, and now the websites will be installed directly in your cPanel. Okay, the next option is to install it on a Plesk server. Plesk is similar to a WHM. So this is a Plesk environment. Okay, first of all, go to tools and settings and create a new administer account. I create one here, tutorial. Okay, then go to your mapping and fill in the URL of your Plesk. Plesk is installed on the port 8443 in most cases. Okay, click on update. And then we have also to choose an domain from our server and also a package. So in Plesk you have the packages here, service packages. Create one. With specified quota and disk space and so on, and then you have to choose the package for the website that will be created via this form here. Okay. So these are the options to install a website directly on our WHM server or on one of your server parts of your agency. The fifth option is to let the customer install the website directly on his own cPanel. Therefore, the customer had to fill in the cPanel URL and the username and the password within the form, and then the website will be installed directly on his cPanel. I show this option in the next video. Okay, thank you.